Creating captions in Final Cut Pro in 2024 sucks. Yeah, I said it. It's tedious. It takes so much time. You have to write things and then you have to sync things, put things in places on the timeline. And it's 2024. Every other video editing program has their own integrated AI to do this for you. Premiere introduced theirs in 2022. That's 2 years ago. What are we doing, Apple? But here's how you do it. You export your video. Export it in a very low resolution. I have this preset right here. You see, it only takes like 30 something megabytes, and I'm gonna export that. Let's use CapCut for this one. The free version can do auto captions for you, and there's a lot of options there. I'm like, come on, Apple, what are we doing really? What are we doing? It's not a rant, not a rant. Not a rant, but you bring it to CapCut and look at this. On CapCut, you just press on text, generate auto captions, and it's just gonna generate it for you. The AI is doing a great job. You can even edit it. Just click on captions, and then you can go up and down and click on whatever line you want to edit, and then start editing. Then you can even insert a black solid between your clip and the captions. Or you can just disable your clip by pressing V. The reason why we're doing this is because we want the captions to be on top of a black solid, a black background, so that we can maybe just change the blend mode or key it when we're going to be in Final Cut Pro later. Once you're done editing the text, just export it. And as you can see here, if you have the pro version, you can actually have the SRT version of the captions. But this is the free version, so we're just going to export it. And then bring it back to Final Cut Pro. The same video, the captions are on this black background, and then we can play around with a blend mode. We can use screen. That means we only want to see the brightest part of this video, which are the captions in this case. Or you can also use the Luma Kira effects. You can go here and just apply that, and you can tweak it around just to make it look nice. And then you can have some other effect, like you can have what I know, earthquake effects, just make it wiggle a little bit, or I don't know, some of these effects you can just add it and just play around with it. Maybe even a drop shadow if you want that to make it pop even more. Yeah, that's what you have to do to actually create an auto captions in Final Cut Pro, which is crazy when you think about it, but trust me, it takes you less time to do that than just type all the captions or try to edit all the captions inside Final Cut Pro. Anyway, that's all we have for today, guys. Yes, I was ranting, but if you got any value from this one, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.